Hello, hello everyone. Okay, so for math today, April 8th, Wednesday, um, we are going over absolute values again, but we're looking at them in real life situations. So yesterday we learned about absolute values, and the day before that we learned about opposites. Remember absolute values, if it tells you negative 18, you're counting from negative 18 how many jumps it took to get to zero, okay? But we're looking at them in real life situations because I feel like when we look at things that are happening in real life, it's easier to understand. So let's look at our little mini lesson example. It says, the surface of Jupiter is made of colorful clouds created by various chemicals in the atmosphere. The temperature at the top of the clouds is negative 230. The temperature below the clouds is 70 degrees, okay? Which temperature has the lower absolute value, meaning which number is smaller? Now, if we're looking at this, just looking at it, normally we would think that negative 230, it's a much smaller number than 70, okay? Because if we're on the scale, our scale, and zero's right here, seven's over here, 70's over here, and then we've got negative 230 way over here, way over here, that's a much smaller number, okay? But it's telling us to find the absolute value. Now, with absolute values, there are no negative numbers, okay? So we have to pretend that we're putting those little bars up like we saw yesterday. So with negative 230, you put your little bar up, and the absolute value of negative 230 would be positive 230, okay? And then you have your positive 70, and you put them in your bars, and your absolute value of 70 is going to be 70. So when you look at positive 230 and positive 270, which temperature is lower? Well, the answer is 70 because 70 degrees is a lot lower than 230 degrees. So all you're doing is putting these numbers in absolute value form first and then finding the answer, okay? So for your work period, you're just going to answer a question. Jason spent $18 on a shirt. Then he spent $24 on a pair of pants. What is the total amount he spent? Okay, it's asking you for the total, meaning adding the numbers together. In order to do this, you have to find the absolute value. So you take 18, you put it in the bars, 1 and 8, 18, and when you find the absolute value of 18, it should be 18. When you put 24 in those bars, find the absolute value of positive 24, your answer should be 24. Therefore, you're going to add the numbers together, 24 plus 18, and you should get your answer. For our closing, we're going to be doing another quiz. Guys, I only see a couple of you guys doing the quizzes. I really need everybody to do all of the quizzes, okay? So I'm going to put a link showing you how to find the quizzes today. You're just clicking activities, quizzes, and then you click on each quiz and you should be able to answer them. They're just one question and they're multiple choice, okay? I know you guys can do it. Good luck.